Hello, my name is Erik, and today we are going to talk about the color wheel. Colors are the key to creativity in floral arrangements. The names of the colors are the hues, and the hues are often represented on a 12-spoke color wheel, a color system that was originally developed by an American printer, Louis Prang, late 1900. The color wheel graphically represents the hues in the proper spectral order, enabling you to see the relationship amongst them and to create a color harmony arrangement. The colors can be separated in different groups. The first group you can see here are the primary colors. The colors cannot be created by mixing them between each other. Red, yellow and blue cannot be created on another way. Between the red, yellow and blue are lying the secondary colors. They can be made from two primary colors on both sides. For example, the orange is between the red and the yellow, as you can see when I open the eye. The green is between the yellow and the blue. And purple between blue and red. These are the secondary colors. The colors amongst each other are in harmony. The colors in contrary to each other are contrary colors. A bouquet made from yellow and green leaves looks very harmonious because the colors green and yellow are next to each other on the color wheel. Another example is red and orange. It's a nice combination as well in a summer arrangement. Next to the primary and the secondary colors, we have the tertiary colors. The tertiary colors are colors in between. For example, red-orange or red-violet or blue-violet or blue-green or yellow-orange. These are the tertiary colors. Now you have them all in the wheel, as you can see when I open them up all. Here you are. All colors are now visible. And you can start to create harmonious arrangements. In most cases, one color dominates the other, and the other exists in relation to it, according to the position on the color wheel. Colors are combined similarly to the way of musical notes are blended. Play with them. This was the first part of the color wheel. Thank you very much.